In 2025, two AI video giants are making noise, SkyReels and Kling AI. Let's compare them and see which one's better for creators like you. SkyReels is an open-source AI video tool built for storytelling. You can create videos from text or images with lifelike motion, emotional characters, and camera-aware scenes. Best part, you can run it on your own GPU or use their cloud platform. And yes, it is free to start. Kling AI is all about cinematic magic. Upload one image and Kling turns it into a video with camera zooms, tracking shots, and ultra smooth motion. Kling is perfect for creators who want polished, eye-catching content fast. No complex setup needed, just upload and go. Here's the breakdown. Use SkyReels if you want storytelling control and deeper scene creation. Use Kling if you want visual flair and quick cinematic animations. Which tool fits your style? SkyReels or Kling? Drop a comment and hit follow if you want more real, fast AI tool breakdowns.